What's up, my brother? And my name is Mars3005 and welcome back to my ongoing segment. This is Getting Alpha Male Experience on the YouTube channel Game with Mars. This is the one and only created to inspire you, to motivate you, to encourage you, to empower you, then energize you into a 5-star of an amazing man that you were created to be. So if you are new to this channel, this is your right time to subscribe on the channel. Put on a notification by ringing that bell so that you don't miss any of our multiple weekly, manly success. Have you ever wondered why is it that there are very few billionaires and the majority are just average working people? Have you ever asked yourself why? Because the fruits of our life depends on how much we are using our time, and the fruits to success relies on the self-discipline that we give ourselves as men. So today in this video, I'm gonna be sharing on how to use the time right and how you can self-discipline yourself all the way to success. Are you ready? Let's do it. The 24-hour fact. You and I, we both get 24 hours. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, they also got 24 hours. How are they so successful? It's all about how you use your time. Yes, it's all about how you are using your time. What do you wake up to do all day? Are you doing this for the sake of you love it? Are you doing this, are you preparing your future? Or are you just doing this for the sake of money? Or are you just doing this for the sake of surviving? No, I want you to live. Starting today, I want you to state your time. I want you to know how you're using your time. I want you to know what you're putting in your day. I want you to have rewards in your day. Because if you can wake up early in the morning to do what you truly love, and you put in your 24 hours in what you love, I guarantee you, in a period of 5 years, you're gonna be more successful than you can ever be. The way is you putting in the work, is you taking the long way, is you putting in those 24 hours and grinding in hardcore work. Point 2, self-discipline. Yes, you watching this one, you are a grown man now. You are ready, you want success, right? So the only way you can understand it is by self-discipline. Yes, self-discipline. Now it's festive season. There's a lot of things gonna be going on. Yes, when others are partying, you know what you're gonna be doing? You're grinding. When others are drinking, you know what you're doing? You're grinding. When others are sleeping this weekend night, you are grinding. This is the one thing that separates you from the pack. This is the one thing that separates you from the crowd of boys. Because if boys are drinking and you are working, if boys are partying and you are working, and boys are getting girls and you are working, this just makes you a man. I was watching this other documentary from Elon Musk. He was talking about how much he grinds, bro. He doesn't talk how much he drinks. He talks about how much he works. When others are sleeping, he's working. When others are drinking, he's working. So how come you don't expect him to be a billionaire? That's the only way you're gonna become a billionaire, because like we said, your fruits of success defines on how much you are using your time and how self-disciplined you are. Point 3, self-education. You have to educate yourself. Why I call it self-education? Because it's you learning what you want to learn. It's not you being taught. There's no teacher here. There's nobody who's going to tell you to raise up your hands. You are the teacher. You are the principal. You are the one who give yourself assignment. This is how crazy and amazing it is. I want you to self-educate yourself. Now it's 2020. This is not that hard. There's YouTube. You can watch a video here and it can help you to be better. You can just read a book. This is going to make you be better. You can even listen to a book. The easiest way, put you in your earbuds. Listen to a book as you go. This is going to just make you be better. So self-educate yourself. Take in that time to self-discipline yourself and educate yourself on things that you believe in. Let's say you want to be into fashion. Read fashion books. Listen to books about fashion. Watch documentaries about the people that made it in fashion. That's the only way you're going to make it. Because the more you start hanging on with those people like on YouTube or on Instagram, that's the more you're going to start to see your life transforming, because you're self-educating yourself and your mind is aligning itself to that kind and it's attracting that kind of success. That's the only way. So self-educate yourself, build yourself, grow yourself, and take that time to read a book. Finally, 4, massive action. Yes, you have used your time right. You have given yourself self-discipline and you are self-educating yourself. The last point is you need to put in massive action. Massive action, just I want you to go in the world and pull out the egg with the work. Yes, in your gift regarding your brand. If you are a businessman, you got a brand, go out there, speak about your brand to everybody. Feel confident, put your head up, get your chest back, and go there and put in massive action. And that's the only way you're gonna get to the pillar of success. That's it for this week on Getting Alpha Male Experience. And I hope you did enjoy this video. And I know this to be like a fact of facts that you did find this video so informative. So do give it a like down below, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our multiple weekly content. For me, Mars, and the rest of the team, with all this wisdom shared, and I'm done. You are amazing. Be kind, go in the world, walk tall, give out the best of yourself, because you are amazing. And stay hydrated and drink water all the time. You are amazing. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. And you know what? Be kind, you too, all the time.